guys, today we're going to create a very simple look. So we're just gonna start with our face as usual, using our foundation. So we're just gonna blend that out and make sure we smooth it in and keep doing that. Make sure it's nice and smooth so we don't leave out or any spot. Oh, look at that. We're just gonna use our makeup egg. I think that's what it's called, egg, I think. And then we're gonna go to our yeah, interesting, what is that called? All right, yeah, so we're just gonna apply that all over our face, and just make sure we draw it in properly. We're just gonna brush that under our eyes, and we're just gonna use the long brush, I think. Yes, so we're gonna use the long brush and just make sure that everything is brushed in nice and even. And then we're going back to our beauty egg. Yes, and remember, when you're blending this makeup on your face, make sure you you don't leave out your neck, or otherwise you're just gonna look like some bird. I don't know what bird, but you're gonna look like one of those birds. So that's why it's really significant to sort of make sure that you just brush it in, man. Just keep going. Wow, that's our contour, and we're just gonna draw something there that look really like a line, and then we're just gonna do that as well with our nose, and we're just gonna make sure we look into the mirror, make sure that is it's just blend in. We're just gonna follow the same process, make sure we blend that in. We keep doing that, we look, we go back at it. Wow, this is nice. We're just gonna do that. I don't know how long, but it looked beautiful. All right, we're going back in again, make sure we get the results we want, because this is a very simple, basic look. Oh wow, so we're just going in with powder, and we're just gonna apply that all over our face and make sure we don't get that inside our eyes. Otherwise, if you do that, you might want to call your makeup professionals to tell you how to go about it, what to do. Anywho, let's keep doing that. Yep, let's keep doing the blending. And then makeup colors, I don't know what that is, but anyway, we're just gonna use one of them colors or two, whatever the case is, and just blend that in, brush it in properly. And then now we're back to another beautiful colors, to create the magnificent easy look. And I think we went with orange that time, or was it red? I don't know, but I think we went with orange. Okay, so we're just gonna blend that in as well, make sure it's nice and smooth, nothing is left out, not too much of a makeup. This is kind of makeup that I actually like. It's a simple, really basic, easy to follow, easy to learn. Yeah. What was that? That is cutting spray, I think, because I missed the writing, but it's just something ting. Yeah, but I think, yeah, that is cutting spray, or I think so, whatever it is, man. But yeah, you guys, I am nearly done. Make sure you're following the process, and if you have any comment or question, leave it down the comment section below, and hit the subscription button. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, join the family, you know. Yeah, and let's grow and learn together. That is the last one, which is beautiful lip gloss. Yes. Yep. And that really looked really smooth and nice, look very attractive. And yeah, we're just gonna do something under, you know, our eyes. I don't know what that is, but it looked like a very dark you know, pencil. I don't know what it is, but it is pencil, I think. Yeah, look at that look. Bye guys, thank you so much for being with us. Until next time.